Alright guys, so the valve springs are super tough to get in there, so I had to make a ghetto rigged valve spring compressor. So here we have a fork spring perch from my dirt bike. These ones are no longer in use, so I went ahead and bent it. This thing is supposed to be round, so it is bent. It fits right on top of here pretty nicely, and we used that strap that I was using for leverage to get the valve springs out. We are clamping that down with this clamp here, and we're just putting this clamp on the exhaust side because it is flatter. The intake side protrudes just a little bit, which is just enough to make it not fit. This won't reach the valve on the bottom, and then we're just tightening this side up onto the valve, and this top side rests on the spring perch here and compresses the valve spring. And then it has these windows on the side so we can get the keepers in and in position, and then we'll just release tension and get that all squared away. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this job up. I will show you guys a sped up version of that just so you can see how I did it. So we'll go ahead and finish this up and be done for the night. Finished up on the valve springs and everything is in on the intake side, and then we can start doing the exhaust tomorrow. Like I said, it was a lot more challenging than I thought it would be. Those dual valve springs are actually no joke. There's a reason why they say you should probably upgrade to those when you go with a big cam. I'm actually pretty glad that we're doing this. I think the car will actually run a little bit better. Being that it is turbo, it has a lot more pressure on each valve. And with these dual valve springs, it will probably help it close at higher RPMs a little bit better than it has. So, super good upgrade, super tough, but we got it done, and we'll see you guys tomorrow, and we will start doing the exhaust valves, and hopefully we can finish that in good time now that we have a system, and then we can throw the cam in, and I think that's it, honestly. So we'll have the head ported, we'll have new valves on the intake, new valves on the exhaust, new dual valve springs everywhere, a new cam. Everything's looking good, and we should have the head in next week. So peace out, guys.